2016 through 2018 or present day Toyota Tacoma maintenance required light on the dash and also on the Toyota Intune Infotainment Center. I'm Brian Eslick from How to Automotive. I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of resetting the maintenance lights on the dash and the Infotainment Center. We're going to start with the dashboard one first. The first thing you're going to want to do is take the start stop switch here and push it 2 times in a row with your foot off the brake. That's going to power up the dash like this. Once everything is all lit up, now you're going to push this trip button here. You're going to cycle this through until you get to trip A on the heads up display here. Now with our foot still off the brake pedal, we're going to push the start stop switch and that's going to turn everything off. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back up to the switch here and press and hold it. Now we can press the start stop switch 2 times in a row with our foot off the brake. And as you hold it, you'll see these blinking lights right here blink backwards. Once they blink down to 0 like this portion of the maintenance light has just been reset. Now we're going to reset the maintenance reminder light over here on the Infotainment Center. To do that, we're going to make sure it's powered up. If it wasn't powered up, you're going to push the start stop button twice, power up the dash. Your foot's off the brake when we do this. Once it all powers up, then we're going to push the app button here. So you're going to push the app button until this screen right here pops up. And once it pops up, then you're going to push the arrow keys down here on the bottom and you're going to scroll until you see maintenance. And then you're going to press the maintenance. Now you're going to click on the oil and the oil filter here. So you're going to click on the oil first. Then you'll click on the reset button and then push yes to confirm you're wanting to reset it. You wanted to customize the settings, you can push these up here and you can change the mileage settings here by clicking on it and then using the arrow keys to navigate through that. You can add up to 10,000 miles if you want to. I'm going to leave them on the original settings. I'm just going to exit out of here. Now I clicked on the oil filter and now I'm going to reset that by pushing the reset and then press OK. Now it's just been reset, so now I'm just going to back out to the previous screen. And now that everything that was orange is now blue, now everything is reset. And that's how you reset the maintenance lights on your 2016 through 2018 Toyota Tacoma. I'm Brian Eslick from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. If you're interested in supporting the How to Automotive YouTube channel, the best way you can do that is by purchasing t-shirts, coffee mugs, and stickers. I will leave links for the t-shirts and coffee mugs in the description of the video, along with links for the How to Automotive tool store. Thank you for your support.